Hello everyone, it's Bates the Great Reactor here, and today we are starting with reacting to the Hawks versus the Lakers. Now, the Lakers have won 4 out of their last 5 games. It looks like they've finally found something, and yeah, right now they're starting to slowly but surely climb up the Western Conference standings. Meanwhile, for the Hawks, while they are in there as far as the East, they are teetering right now with an 18-16 record. This is a game that they definitely need. But I just feel like, the Lakers, they're at home. I think they are, the better team. So I'm taking the Lakers in this game. Key players that I expect to go off in this game are Trae Young for the Hawks. That's really it. And then for the Lakers, I got LeBron going off, Austin Reeves. And if AD is playing, then yeah, of course him too. But without further ado, let's get into this reaction in 3, 2, 1.
The size of Christie is an advantage for Christie.
Austin had a
Max Christie had 28 points last game the Lakers played, so AD gets his own rebound, gets the putback. Oh, not a very good pass by Trae Young. LeBron with the ball, passes it out. And there is Austin Reeves with the layup. Trae Young passes it out, backdoor, and made that a little bit more difficult than it needed to be, but gets the job done. LeBron passes it out, backdoor, Rui Hachimura. LeBron driving to the rack, and too easy, he's too strong, puts it up and in. LeBron passes it out, ooh, good pass. Gets it over the defender. Backdoor. Rui Hachimura.
So he's the leading scorer right now in the game.
Passes it out. Long range pass. AD with the two-hand dunk. Too easy for him. AD. And one for Rui Hachimura. Austin Reeves with the drive and midi.
That's good to see Cam knocking one down. He's had a tough time.
Pass it out. Two-hand dunk by 17 right there. Good pass by Trae Young. LeBron with the ball. Driving to the rack. Passes it out. AD dunks it in.
LeBron was so close, he probably could have shot the ball.
Trae Young from top of the key.
Boy, Atlanta takes it right out of
Got to get the rebound. They can't. Lakers get it. LeBron driving to the rack. Lays it up and in. Hawks get the rebound. Driving. Count it, and the one against 2 Lakers defenders.
You and me learning on the air.
Passes it out. Driving to the rack. Yeah, just give it to him again.
Here's Johnson slamming it down.
He paid dividends for you last possession. Oh, but now LeBron's on him.
Reverse layup by LeBron. Just own it. When they met last time,
all right.
He didn't shoot it particularly
Austin
well.
Reeves passes it out. Dalton connect in the corner. Connect 4. Connect 4 in the corner. Passes it out from the left wing. 4-3. That was a long 2. My bad. Passes it out. Backdoor. Max Christie.
leads just about everybody in field goal percentage because he knows his
Trae Young.
right
Ooh,
there in the circle.
little behind the back, driving to the rack, and he lays it up and in.
5 times.
Flexed on him a little bit. Oh, LeBron with the spin. LeBron puts it up and in. That was a very tough contested take.
Jalen Johnson, the offensive glass if you're a Laker.
All right. Driving to the rack. Little spinning lay. Passes it out. Hunter driving. He's going to do a little right-hand floater and puts it up and in. Right-hand floater by Austin Reeves did not work out for him. AD gets fouled and won.
Lakers have lost their last 5 against the East.
All right, driving to the rack and won.
Bested the Lakers. And you can go ahead. Holds on to it. They bounce.
All right, driving to the rack, and he lays it up and in.
AD was trailing, and he's hit a 3 in 104 straight games.
Passes it out. AD shooting from a little bit past the free throw line.
AD gonna try 3.
Shoots that one, but it doesn't go. Hawks get the rebound. That should be too easy.
Matt's got to connect, who has 8 points.
Don't connect from top of the key.
Double digits. Timeout. Wow. Welcome back, don't connect. Wow.
Welcome back. Passes it out to the corner. Nice little pump fake. And puts it up for the 3.
20.
Was it 20?
Yeah, it's 20.
LeBron.
Back to the pass.
LeBron.
Backing up DeAndre Hunter.
Gonna back up. Fadeaway jumper and in.
2 more for James. You saw AD in front. Here comes Reeves.
All right. Reeves passes it out to the corner. Bang. It was more like bang.
NBA. So we'll see if the Lakers can knock some down, get some.
LeBron passes it out to the wing. And Austin Reeves with the 3.
Anthony Davis, maybe it was legal, maybe it wasn't, but it was
LeBron.
In the key.
Pass. Ooh, that was a great pass.
LeBron.
Great pass.
Yet another easy dunk at the rim. As he takes it.
All right, passing it out. Trae Young.
Trae Young.
Been a little quiet,
Keeping a wary eye.
but that's not going to keep him quiet. And one.
Young creating the contact and scoring. Daniels the steal behind the back, and then AD.
Oh, like a volleyball, number 12 just spikes it back over to his teammate and LeBron with the top of the key 3. LeBron with the long 2. Oh, wait, what? Are we serious right now? We're counting that as a 3?
He's been a big part of it. He's one of 3.
Okay, I thought I saw that. I thought that foot was, on the line, but never mind.
Hawks in double digits again for LeBron.
Okay, LeBron.
He still has it cooking from behind the arc, doesn't he?
Rui's got 10. He joins the double-digit party.
Trae Young passes it out. Ooh, good pass. Good pass and good finish.
Sliding in to finger roll it home was Jalen Johnson.
All right, passes it out. AD.
And Hunter on the
AD.
floor for Atlanta.
Passes it out. And a good 2-hand dunk on number 12, Hunter.
Reeves 3.
Austin Reeves from the left wing for 3.
Reeves hasn't had much.
Davis.
Misses the layup. Hawks get the rebound.
Leaning left. Reza Shay's got
Driving to the rack. And one.
Finney Smith was the last one.
Good job of getting opportunity looks last.
Pass it out to him again.
They're not leading.
Can't get the rebound. Oh, they get the rebound. And dude gets the putback dunk.
Slam dunk. Yeah, big time. LeBron.
Reeves, James. Good screen by AD. And then LeBron with the long 2.
Bounce wide open.
Backdoor,
Lakers
easy.
fall asleep defensively. 93-86.
LeBron passes it out, backdoor. Passes out to the corner. Bang!
Each side of the floor. Young deep finds Matthews open.
From top of the key, but he can't put it in. Number 1 gets the putback.
In Westwood.
Oh, knocked away, but he does a reverse layup and he redeems himself.
So LeBron's missed his last couple.
All right, passes it out. But he didn't miss that one. He said he missed his last couple, but he didn't miss that one.
Poor Dyson Daniels just about had another one.
Yep.
LeBron from top of the key. Bang.
And LeBron's up to 28.
Well, he's getting ready to break the 560.
Trae Young
That's right.
from top of the key.
Still with it with 5 could be on this bucket.
Yeah, really.
Yeah.
Fadeaway jumper and in on number 17.
But he's adding to that all the time.
Trae Young passes it out to 5, passes back out to Young. Young driving, and he passes it out to 15.
When he sounds good, it is good.
All right,
Christie.
Christie,
Up under.
and one left-hand layup.
Lakers have made 13 threes. Atlanta 6.
Dalton connects,
Driving.
driving,
Looks to get in there.
and he connects it to the
Kept
basket.
it away from the defender with his left by using his left hand.
In the mix.
All right, Lakers win 119 to 102. All right, so the Hawks dropped down to 18 and 17. Lakers improved to 20 and 14. For the Hawks, Johnson had 19 points. Trae Young had 33. Daniels had 13, and Okonkwo had 14 points, 11 rebounds. For the Lakers, for the most part, quite a few people tried to get involved. LeBron with 30 points. Rui had 13. Anthony Davis had 18 points, 19 rebounds. Austin Reeves had 20. And Dalton Connect had 13. Welcome back. 13 points, playing 15 minutes. That's what we like to see. The Hawks were 41% from the field. Lakers were nearly 49% from the field. They actually shot the ball pretty well, 43% from 3. LeBron's shot was falling. LeBron's shot was falling. Austin Reeves' shot was falling. Dalton Connect's shot was falling. For the Hawks, not so much. Their 3 was not their friend in this game. Both teams were pretty good from the free throw line. And the Lakers just blew them out the water in rebounds, as expected. And, the Hawks had 10 steals to the Lakers 4. And despite losing the way they did, they only had 8 turnovers. Had 64 points in the paint to the Lakers with 46. So Lakers win 119 to 102. Yeah, not much else needs to be said. The Lakers took care of business for the most part. They had control the whole game, from what I saw. A lot of the guys, I said LeBron, AD, Austin Reeves for the Lakers, and Trae Young for the Hawks. Those guys went off and had, good performances. I did get my Lakers prediction right. Can you find anybody that is a better predictor than me? Probably not. So relatively easy win for the Lakers. Let's see if they can, continue to keep this rolling the way they got it rolling. And for the Hawks, well, I just feel like outside of Trae Young, they don't have, a whole lot of other help, outside of maybe like 1 or 2 players. But, it's just, Hawks, are going to have to, either improve their defense or, find a different type of rotation. But, other than that, though, I think the Hawks will be fine. but just yeah, they're teetering right now. But with that being said, that has been my reaction to the Hawks versus Lakers. This is Bates, the Great Reactor, and that is it.